How we doing, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how I cut a liner or a frame lock using a drill. Second one's going to be a angle grinder with a thin cutoff wheel disc on there, a hacksaw to finish off the cuts. That is how you cut it. Final tool is a rotary Dremel tool, and that is just basically for the finish work, which I'm not going to show you in this video, but it's going to show you how to cut. Okay, so this is the face. So what I'm going to do is, yep, that worked. Grab the pivot barrel, put it from the outside. Okay, put it here, and mark off basically where it's going to sit. It's going to go like that. Let me just double check something. Okay, now I know it sits here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut above that. So I'm going to cut right above here. Or in between these two lines. A little hard to explain, but you'll see as I don't know what I'm doing behind the camera, you know. I'm just drawing freestyle right now, but you want to normally draw this with, do this with a ruler, so it could be straight lines. So you're going to follow those lines. Let me see how that looks. A little thick here, and that's going to be ground out. I'm going to go with that. Let me see. Yeah. Pretty much get the idea. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the drill press. I'm going to tap a hole here and a hole here. Okay, let's do that. Alright, so that was the easy part, as you can see. Now here's why I did that and that, those holes. Now when you cut, your blade has to be in the center of this hole, in the center of that hole, straight down the middle. Obviously you're not going to get clean cuts, but I'll show you that, how to get rid of that. And then across, I suggest not using the cutoff wheel. I'd rather use a hacksaw. Straight across, nice and clean, thinner. So let's go do this. Alright, first things first, I'm going to cut it with a hacksaw, but I'm not going to go all the way. Okay, I'm going to leave a little bit because obviously you don't want it to be flapping when you're cutting the other way with the angle grinder. So let's do it. Alright, that's all I'm going to do. Right there. Show you how that looks. There's that cut. Didn't go all the way. Close. And now the fun part. From here to here. So let me set that up, set the camera up, and get it going here. think I don't even have to flip it. It's already all set. Let me go grab something to grab that with. Let me get behind the screen here so I can see what I'm talking about. Let's go down there. As you can see, there's that little notch. Looking pretty good. That's it. That's how I do it. It's nice and simple, but a little dangerous, like I said, but it can be done. So now I'll just, not right now, but I'm going to clean off the surface. There goes that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the surfaces and, you know, do the rest. I don't know what to say. So that's it. Thanks for coming in, checking out this video, checking out how I cut my frame and my liner locks. That's the way I've been doing it for the longest time, since 2013. So it is what it is. I don't have the fanciest tools or shop, but it gets done. Thanks again for coming in, checking out this crazy video. Remember, kids and gals, guys, don't try this at home. Leave it up to the experts. You don't want to cut your fucking fingers off, so leave that to me. Peace out. Alright, so as you can see, here's the finished product. Can be done. Let me open it up that way. See the drill hole there. Yellow hole there. It's the finished product. So as you can see, it can be done with those tools. It just takes practice. That's about it. Show you something. Heat tent. Solid. Handmade, handcrafted, right here in Florida, USA. Almost cut myself right there, as you've seen. This one's a little, this is not no normal flipper. I can do it this way, so. But I like using it this way. Thanks again for coming in, checking out this how-to video. Good luck to all. Cheers.